Hello, today we will guide you through how to close a trade on ThinkorSwim. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on a Forex position, but the flow is very similar for other products on the platform. The goal is to help you exit a position confidently, review the key details before you send the order, and understand what you're seeing on screen. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim platform or the web-based version in your browser. Give it a moment to load fully so all your account data and positions are up to date. When the platform is ready, look along the top for the Monitor tab. This is your hub for what's open in your account right now and where you'll close trades. Click Monitor to view your position statement. Within the position statement, locate the Forex section. If you don't see it immediately, it may be collapsed. Use the small expand arrow to reveal open Forex positions. Take a second to identify the exact symbol and quantity you intend to close. This quick pause helps avoid closing the wrong position, especially if you track multiple trades or accounts. Next, right-click on the specific trade you want to exit. You can right-click directly on the symbol line in the positions list. This opens a context menu tailored to that position. You're looking for the option that initiates the exit. Hover your mouse over Create Closing Order. As you hover, you'll see the platform prepare the opposite side of your original trade, sized to flatten the position. For example, if you're long, the platform sets up a sell to close. If you're short, it sets up a buy to close. When the order ticket appears, follow the on-screen procedure. The ticket will display the symbol, side, and quantity intended to bring the position to zero. Review these carefully. Check the order type. Market orders generally fill quickly at the next available price, while limit orders let you set a specific price but might not fill immediately. Confirm the time and force if shown, and make sure the price and quantity reflect the exit you want. The preview or confirmation window will show estimated costs and the impact on your buying power. Use that summary to catch any last-minute mismatches. Proceed through the prompts to send the order. Once submitted, watch the activity section for working, filled, or partial fill status. When the order fills, the position should drop off the Forex section or show a zero quantity, indicating you're out. That's it. You opened ThinkorSwim, went to Monitor, right-clicked the trade under Forex, hovered over Create Closing Order, and followed the on-screen steps to exit cleanly. Take a moment afterward to confirm your position list and any related orders, reflect the change.